Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 10 math. You can find all the lessons on ablestudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 10 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find the list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter Introduction to Triangles. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Here I am on the chapter Introduction to Triangles. Let's just start with the lesson. Classify triangles. Classify this triangle by sides and angles. That is the obtuse and scalene triangle. Triangle is obtuse. One angle is greater than 90 degrees. The triangle is scalene. All three sides are different lengths. So the triangle is both obtuse and scalene. That triangle is both obtuse and scalene because one of the angle is greater than 90 degree. So triangle is scalene and all three angles are different length. So obtuse and scalene. Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. What kind of triangle is this? So all the angles are less than 90 degree. So they are the acute triangle. The correct option is acute triangle. What kind of triangle is this? So the triangles are all less than 90 degrees. So that is the acute triangles. Is this triangle equilateral? Yes, it is because all the angles are exactly equal. So that is the equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. What kind of triangle that is the isosceles but not equilateral? Scale. The correct option is scalar. What kind of triangle is this? That is the isosceles triangle because two of the side lengths are equal but the third one is different. So that is isosceles but not equilateral, right? Option number two is the correct option. A triangle has measured measurements of 90 degree, 44 degree, and 46 degrees. What kind of triangle is this? All one of the angle is measures exactly 90 degrees, so that is the right triangle. What kind of triangle is this? What kind of triangle is this? So one of the angles is greater than 90 degree. So then that would be obtuse triangle. Option number is the correct option. That is the obtuse. Okay, what kind of triangle is this? That is isosceles but not equilateral. Option number one is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is that is identify triangle sum theorem. The diagram shows a convex polygon. What is the value of x? So first find the sum of the interior polygon. The polygon is a triangle, so the sum of the interior angles measured is 180 degrees. So just add all their sum is equal to 180 degrees. So x plus 19 plus x plus 20 plus 109 is equal to 180. So that is x is equal to 16 degrees. So just add all the angles, solve for x, that equals 16. Let's just start with the first questions. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. The diagram shows a convex polygon. What is the P? So the sum of all the angles in a triangle must equals 80 degrees. So that is P plus 91 plus 35 is equal to 180. So P is equal to 5 plus 1 is 6, 126. So 180 minus 126 equals 34 degrees. So that means the missing angle P is equal to 34 degrees. Option number 34 or 54? 54 it is. The correct option is 54 degrees. Option number 2 is the correct option. The diagram shows a convex polygon. What is the value of A? So sum of all the angles in a polygon must equals 180 degrees. So that is A plus 80 plus 4 is equal to 180. So that is A plus 123 is equal to 180. So A is equal to 180 minus 123. So which is the option? So that is 10 minus 3 is 7. So A is equal to 57 degrees. So the correct option is that is 134. 10 minus 4 is 6. 46 it is. The correct option is 46. Option number 1 is the correct option. The diagram shows a convex polygon. What is the value of S? So which is the correct option? So that is the sum of all the angles in a polygon must equals 180 degree. So that is S plus 115 plus 33. So 5 is 8, 3 plus 1 is 4, 148. So S is equal to 148 minus. You need to subtract it from 180. 180 minus 148 is 22 degrees. It is the correct option is 32. Sorry, not option is 32 degrees. The diagram shows a convex polygon. What is the value of z? So sum of all the angles in a polygon is equal to 180 degrees. So z plus 50 plus 32 is equal to 180. So z is equal to 180 minus 82. So which is the correct option? That is what? 98 degrees. Sorry. The correct option is 98 degrees. What is the diagram shows a convex polygon? What is the value of b? So b plus 68 degrees plus 62 degrees equal 180. So that is b is equal to 180 minus 107 because the sum of 68 and 62 is 130. That equals number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can get the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is exterior angle theory. The next lesson is measure of exterior angle theorem it is. So measurement of angle 1. What is the measurement of angle 1? The exterior angle in the diagram is exterior. Exterior means the one that is outside the triangle, right? So this is the exterior angle that is 147 degrees. So exterior angle is the diagram measures 147 degrees. Angle 1 is a remote angle of the exterior angle. The other remote angle is 69. You can see here the remote angle to 146 is 1 and 61. We need to calculate. So that is measurement of angle 1 plus 69 is equal to 147. In the 147 is the exterior angle, right? So just angle 1, so that equals 78 degrees. Yes, that is 78 degrees. Let's just start with the test questions. What is the measurement of angle 1? So angle 1 is the exterior angle, right? So measurement of angle 1 is equal to 69 degrees plus 63 degrees, right? So sum of the angles that are inserted to measurement of angle 1. That is 132 degrees. So option number 2 is the correct option. That is 132. What is the measurement of angle 1? So angle 1 is the sum of the two interior angles, that is 42 degrees plus 94 degrees. So which is the correct option? So measurement of angle 1 is 136 degrees, option number. What is measurement of angle 1? So measurement of angle 1 is the sum of the other two angles. So that is 139 degrees. What is the measurement of angle 1? Angle 1 is the sum of the other two angles, right? Because the angle 145 is the exterior angle. So 37 angle 1 is equal to 37 plus 145 degrees. That is, wait, that is 182, but we are not given with the option that is 182 over here. Oh, we need to find the angle 1, right? But angle 1 is not the sum of these two angles, so we need to calculate the angle 1. So how do we calculate the angle 1? Just look at the board. So 1 plus 37 is equal to 100. Sum of the two interior angles equals the exterior angle, right? Add 30, subtract 37, so that is measurement of angle 1 is 108 degrees. Got it? Okay, you can complete by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is measurement of angle S and measurement of angle 4. Measurement of angle S is greater than measurement of angle 4. Here is angle 7 and here is angle 4. Obviously angle 4 is, yes, obviously angle 7 is greater than angle 4. Look at those angles. So angle 7 is greater than angle 4. The correct option is yes. Got it? Let's just start with the which of the angles, angle 1, angle 3 and angle 4 has the largest measure. Angle 4 is the largest one. Option number 1 is the correct option. Measurement of angle 3 less than measurement of angle 9. Here is angle 3 and here angle 3 and here is angle 9. I think they are the same. The correct option is no. Yes. Angle 9 is the exterior angle of the triangle, but with Angle 3 as a remote. Okay, yes, angle 9 is the exterior angle, that would be the sum of the other two angles. Got it? Is measurement of angle 7 less than measurement of angle 3? Angles is the exterior angle while angle 3 is the interior angle. So the angle 7 is not the less than angle 3. Which of angle 4, angle 10 and angle 5 has the largest measure? Angle 4, 5 and 10. So angle 10 is the largest one because that would be the exterior angle. What which of the angle 7 and angle 5 has the largest measure? The largest measure is angle 1, right? Because angle 1 is the exterior angle and exterior angle is the sum of the other two angles. Which of the angle 1, angle 5 and angle 3 has the largest angle? Angle 1 is the largest one because that is the exterior angle, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. We were working on grade 10 math. Chapter we were working on is Introduction to Triangles. The lessons we have covered today are classified triangles, triangle angle sum theorem, exterior angle theorem. So please make sure before session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lessons, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you, or either you can write them down in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So any questions you can please ask if you have any.